Hey, it's Joe, and this is my next project. Here's a neighborhood that we're building, and we buy the land and we build the houses. And every now and then, when you're building and you're buying the land, you end up with an extra little house, kind of like this one. A little dated, the bones are good, with its own special challenges. Here's the plan on this one. See the yellow walls in the bedroom in the front? We're going to get rid of those, turn that bedroom into a dining room, and open up that whole area in there. Then it'll be a 2-bedroom, 1-bath house. Here's a quick walk around. Ah, yeah, cozy little house, fixer-upper with hardwood floors. Now this is where we're going to put in a wall to separate this bedroom from the path to the bathroom. And we're back out to the kitchen. We're going to move that wall back to open the kitchen up, and then open this walk-through area. Fix the floor. This is where the old washer was, and we're going to change it. We're going to move it further back into that entry area for the rear door, by the rear door there. Widen this doorway and take out that wall right there. And this is going to be the sunny little dining room. It'll be great. All right. The sheetrock crew said they could sheetrock a brush pile if I would just point it out to them. This may be the one. One of the challenges with this house is it had 7-foot ceilings. And we put a beam in the attic and we pulled the ceiling up where it would be more flat. Here's where the walls go in to separate the hallway from the bedroom. We reused most of the doors, but we couldn't save some of the floors. That's okay. No problem. And we're going to replace the little side door and build a porch out there. And we're going to try to see if we can get by with just one front door this time. There's the sheetrock crew. Turned out great, didn't it? Get down to it. All it needs is a little paint. We'll be done. Some flooring and maybe some cabinets. I think I got an idea for cabinets. Come on. Happens to be a church right around the corner. It has some not too bad cabinets in it. I think they'll be just right. Oh, while we're out, the painters came. The electrician finished out the can lights and the plugs. Vinyl plank floors, hardwired smoke detector, and extra insulation. We have a heat-cool window unit in the front, and each bedroom has a small window unit and a baseboard heater. Much better. New tub shower surround, new toilet, new vanity. Another little air conditioner for that bedroom and a baseboard heater right there. Kitchen. Stick Formica countertops. There's the holy cabinets out of the church. Water heater's in that closet there, and the washer and dryer will be up against that wall. Have a nice sunny dining room. Where's the stove? Right there. See what's going on outside. Nice. Vinyl siding. Look at that porch, much different. You can tell a good cinematographer when he leaves a mailbox leaned up against the subject he's shooting. That's the sign. Yeah, that's it. You make sure and get 2 shots of that. But we're not finished yet. It's still in progress. It fits right in the neighborhood. Well, I guess that's about it. Cozy little house. Here we are, off to the next one. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as we enjoyed making it. If you did, tell your friends and subscribe. It's important.